Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the exact model and the compatible charger. This prevents firmware mismatch and boot errors. Once done, plug in and charge to at least 50% to avoid interruptions during setup. Make sure your Wi-Fi name and password are handy, and position the device on a flat, well-lit surface. This first action reduces risk of failed updates and gives you a clean environment to follow prompts. Now press and hold the power button until the indicator lights up. You'll now complete the core configuration steps. Select language and region so time and services work correctly. Next, connect to the Wi-Fi network. Reliable internet ensures necessary downloads. Create or sign into the required account to sync settings and enable backups. Then allow the device to check for and install updates. This fixes bugs and improves compatibility. Make sure to review privacy options and grant only needed permissions. This protects data. You finish setup by installing essential apps and restoring any prior backups so you regain your environment. Once installed, test core functions. Play audio to check sound, open camera, browse a website to verify network stability. If an app fails or the device feels sluggish, restart to complete background installs and free memory. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi profiles before doing a full factory reset, which is your last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.